ये बार आप एक इम्प्रेसिव नंबर्स आके लेके आए हैं। रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ देखिए ईयर ऑन ईयर, और एबिटा में एक बहुत बड़ा हमने ग्रोथ देखा है। कैसे, कौन से की फैक्टर्स रहे ये सब सब्सटेंशियल ग्रोथ के?
Yeah, sure. Thank you for having me on the channel. Now, if you look at it, Raymond Limited results, what has been announced yesterday, is primarily for the real estate and the engineering business, because the lifestyle business has been demerged on 30th of June 2024, and that is being done in a separate company called Raymond Lifestyle Limited, which will be listed in the next 45 to 60 days. So we will talk about the results which is there relating to real estate and engineering segment, which is under the Raymond Limited. Now, if I look at the real estate business, the real estate business has shown a remarkable growth in the business as we continue to launch more towers and we continue to have more inventory to sell, and with a unique concept of having a very affordable luxury which is being made available to the customers at a time when it is not exactly as per RERA timeline, but rather giving them the delivery earlier than the RERA delivery timeline, and which has been a demonstrated performance. So that was very good in Thane. People really rejoiced and have come forward and bought a lot of apartments. And what we did was, as you know, that we are not in the business of buying land, rather we are expanding the business by virtue of JDAs, joint development projects. Now, we have signed as of now 4 JDA projects. The first JDA project in Bandra we launched in February 2024. And we have got an overwhelming response of this project as we launched, and we have sold more than 160 apartments in the last 3 to 4 months. And that clearly reflects that the trust level which the Raymond brand has and our demonstrated performance at Thane of delivering the flats before time has really resulted and winning the confidence of the customers at large, even in the Bandra project. And that clearly shows in the booking value. If you see, it is in excess of 600 crores, clearly reflects that the company of the business of real estate is going at a very, very phenomenal pace, and it is clearly reflected in our revenues as well. Now, as far as the engineering business is concerned, we acquired Mining Precision business in March 2024, which contributed to the revenue of 230 odd crores in this quarter, which was not available in the last quarter. And our engineering business, which includes aero business, as well as defense business and auto components and engineering consumables, have a very good potential. And over the next few years, it is going to show a very tremendous growth. And look, the advantage of the aerospace and defense business is that we are in an engine critical components. And this, when you are in engine critical component, the entry into the company with the top players is difficult. But once you enter, then you are expanding the portfolio. One, you are doing 2 SKUs, now become 10, 10 become 50 and 60. And like that, we are in the journey, which enables us to grow the revenue at a faster pace. As far as the auto components is concerned, very clearly, all the top 15 auto OEMs or the tier 1 suppliers to the globally, we are connected either through the Ring Plus subsidiary or through the Mining Precision subsidiary. So to that extent, I think we stand a very, very good chance of a significant growth in that business, and which will help not only revenue growth, but also a profitability growth. And I think we are very clear that in any business, the way we are going to focus is create a long-term sustainable, profitable growth business, and not just the revenue growth, but also a profitable growth. And I think that has been the focus. And you have seen the demonstrated level over the last 4 years, how the business has transformed of the Raymond Group and making it a very strong business.
जी सर, साथ में हम देख रहे हैं कि मार्जिन्स में काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट है Q1 में। फर्दर मार्जिन एक्सपेंशन के कितना रूम है, और उसके लिए ड्राइविंग फोर्स क्या रहेगा?
So look, as I mentioned, real estate business, you will continue to focus on the projects. Obviously, the margins come under pressure in a particular quarter because of start of a new project. because when you start a new project, you need to put advertisement and all these kind of preparation work, which goes as a period cost. But after that, then it runs as a project. And I think all of our projects which we have taken have a good EBITDA margin, 20% plus. So that is not going to be an issue. And we see a further enhancement. And we continue to refine our projects. And as far as engineering is concerned, aerospace is a great area to be in, where we are seeing the fastest growth, and the margins are significantly better compared to the auto component and the engineering consumable business. So I think overall, we see that compared to last year, our margins should improve in this year as well.
जी सर, ऑन दैट नोट बहुत शुक्रिया आपका हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए और ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर 2.